Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter of class 8, that is exponent and power. So see here what is given in first question. Evaluate, there are some options, we have to evaluate their values. Now here we have to apply this given identities which we have to follow according to question. Okay, so see 3 to the power minus 2, this is our question. You can see 3 to the power minus 2. Now let me tell you the concept of this type of questions, that if there is any negative power, okay, if 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 can be written as 1 upon 3 to the power minus 2 upon 1. Means if nothing is given, we can write 1 in the denominator. Okay, so now if we want to eliminate this negative sign, what we will do, we will write it like this. Means the numerator will become denominator and the denominator will become numerator. So here this is numerator, this is denominator, and after we perform reciprocal operation, the negative sign will become positive. So it will turn into like this, 1 upon 3 to the power 2. See here, denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator, and the negative sign simply turns into positive sign. Now 3 to the power 2 means 1 upon how many times 3? 2 times 3. So 3 3s are how much? 9. So at last our answer is 1 by 9. So this is how you can apply this type of questions, or we can say formula. See, all the options are having same format. Now let me show you question number 2. What is given in question number 2? Simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. Again, if there is a negative power given on any base, then we have to change it into positive exponent. Okay, so see the first one. What is the first one? Minus 4 to the power 4 divided by minus 4 to the power 8. So see what we have to do. We can write it like this. Now we know that what is our identity, that a to the power m divided by a to the power n means any two numbers which are having same base but different power, we have to write base as it is and we have to subtract the power. So see here, what is our base? Base is minus 4 in both the cases. So we will write minus 4, and in case of division we have to subtract the power. So 5 minus 8. So how much it will become? It will become minus 4 to the power minus 3. Okay, now we can see clearly here that minus 3 is a negative exponent, but here in question it is clearly written that we have to convert it into positive exponent. Now again we will apply same formula. If nothing is given, we can write 1 in the denominator. So what we will write at last? 1 upon minus 4 to the power 3. Okay, this is our formula, and see, this is at last our answer. So this is how you can complete question number 2. Now let me show you what is question number 3. So see, this is our question number 3. Now what is given in question number 3? Okay, find the value of. Okay, now first one, there is one identity that if any number or any base is having power 0, the answer will be 1. So see here, any number having power 0, answer will be 1. Now 4 to the power minus 1. Okay, 4 to the power minus 1 can be written as 4 to the power minus 1 upon 1. And after flipping the numbers, we will get 1 by 4. So see here, 3 to the power 0, 1 means any number having power 0, 1. 4 to the power minus 1, it will become 1 by 4, and 2 to the power 2 as it is. Okay, now see here, what we are having? 1 plus 1 by 4. So after solving this, how much we are getting? 4 ones are 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 4. So this side how much we are having? 5 by 4, and here 2 into 2 means how many times 2? 2 times 2. So it will become 2 2s are 4. So what we will do? 5 to the power 4 multiplied by 4, and after cancellation at last we are getting 5. So this is how you can solve option number 3rd, or we can say question number 3rd. Okay, now question number 4. See what is given in question number 4. Okay, this is our question number 4. See, evaluate 8 to the power minus 1 multiplied by 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power minus 4. Now see, one by one we have to solve this. We have to apply the formula like this. 8 to the power minus 1. Now 8 to the power minus 1 can be written as, see, 8 can be divided into 2 into 2 into 2. Or let me explain. 8 to the power minus 1. This can be written as 1 upon 8. Okay, in multiplication what is written? 5 to the power 3. So we will write here 5 to the power 3. Okay, and in divide what is given? In divide 2 to the power minus 4. So 2 to the power minus 4 can be written as like this. Okay, after this much, after that what we have to do? We have to flip the numbers. In numerator what we are having? 5 to the power 3 upon 8 divided by here 1 upon 2 to the power 4. Okay. Now we know that if 4 fractions we are having, outer 2 fractions we have to multiply together and inner 2 fractions we have to multiply together. So at last what we will get, see here, when we multiply outer 2 fractions we are getting 5 to the power 3. Okay, here what we are getting, 5 to the power 3 multiplied by 1. Okay, and in upon, see here it is given. Okay, after multiplication, at last when we will flip the numbers and multiply the numbers together, we are getting 250. Here it is mentioned different method, but you can solve by both the methods. Okay, now this is our question number 3. Now let me show you, sorry, this is our question number 4. Now let me show you what is given in question number 5. 5, find the value of m. Okay, so it is given something like this, 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3. Now we know that if same base is given and different exponents are given, then what we have to do, we have to subtract the exponent. So what we will write, 5 to the power m minus, here is minus 3, and here equal to 5 to the power 5. Okay, now both the bases are same, so we can cancel out the base. Here minus and minus will become plus. So here what we will get, m plus 3, and here 5. See both the powers. Now when we subtract 5 minus 3, we will get our m. See, 5 minus 3. So what is the value of m? Value of m is 2. Okay, see here, at last what we are getting, value of m is 2. Now let me show you what is given in question number 6. So again reciprocal we have to do here. 1 upon 3 to the power minus 1 minus 1 upon 4 to the power minus 1. So 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 1 means we want to reciprocate it, because we have to convert negative exponent into positive. So it will become 3 by 1. Similarly 1 by 4 will become 4 by 1. Okay, now what we are having in bracket after reciprocal, we are having 3 minus 4 to the power, here you can see minus 1. So here minus 1. Now 3 minus 4 will give us minus 1 to the power minus 1. Now again we are having a negative power, so what we will do, 1 upon minus 1. This will be our answer. So see here at last what we are having, 1 upon minus 1, because we have to reciprocate it. Okay, so this is our question number 1. Same you can do question number 2. This is our question number 6. Now let me show you question number 7. What is given in question number 7? This is our last question of this exercise. So see here, this is the last question. 25 into 2 to the power minus 4 upon 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, minus 8 it is written. So what we have to do here, see, 25. Here you can simply see 25 can be written as 5 to the power 2. Why? Because 25 means 5 into 5, and in simple words we can write it 5 to the power 2. So see here it is written 5 to the power 2. Means here if the greater number is given, we have to expand it into its factors. T to the power 4 as it is, 5 to the power minus 3 as it is, and 10 can be written as 5 into 2. Okay, now see here what we are having. We are having this, see, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power minus 3. These two are in division. So what we will write, 5 to the power 2 minus, here minus 3. Because we know that in divide we have to subtract the powers, and here one more 5 is given, so power 1. So how much we are having, 2 minus minus gives us plus, so 2 plus 3 5, 5 minus 1 4, so 5 to the power 4. So here how much we are getting, see, 5 to the power 4. And similarly for t to the power minus 8, and here also minus 8, so here also we are getting t to the power 4 and divided by 2. At last when we will multiply 5 4 times, we are getting 625, and here 2 as it is and t to the power 4 as it is. So this is how by applying different identities we can solve easily this exercise 12.1 of chapter 12, which is exponent and power. So thank you students for watching this video till end.